What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with just a good morning update, guys. So I've actually have been working on a video, but I've had some difficulties with some new software and new phone that's recording in 4K, and it's just been a whole mess. But slowly I'm getting things refigured out, trying out new softwares for editing videos. If you guys have any recommendations or anything for editing 4K videos down into 1080p or even 1440, but put them in the comment section below. I would love to know about that, because I have struggled past couple of days with that one, because I was not expecting the new content to come out in 4K, and I have not had to edit 4K content, and for whatever reason, Shotcut doesn't like 4K video. I don't know what it is. I tried Shotcut, OpenCut, both just no good. So it's made things a little difficult, as well as I was working on some content for, let's see if we can pop it up here, on Mineable, which from Serpent X, I'll link him down below. He did a video covering this completely, and it really cool. I actually enjoy it. I tried to be faster than the system, and I ended up not succeeding, I guess, and ended up buying this GPU right here on the secondary market for about 1200 MMB about 7 days ago. Now the current things, they fixed the marketplace of people overcharging and everything, and now you can literally buy the same thing for half the price. So, well, I guess not. I guess I still made out okay. Yeah, I still made out okay. But I've seen some that were a little bit cheaper. If you end up buying one on the secondary market, kind of scroll around. There are some really good deals in there if this is your kind of thing. Like here we're hitting level 1s for 6,000 MMB, which is technically less than what you can buy a level 1 from Mineable, right? Which is 0.0574 ETH. So we can actually just go to CoinGecko real quick. MNB. So as you can see, that is about 0.2 Ethereum. So really, you can get a level 1 for technically a fraction of the price if you just look through the deals. Alright, so if this is your thing, I'll have a video coming out on this maybe. The original video I was working on was going over a guide of how to set it up, and then I swapped Ethereum in my wallet for MMB, and then the transaction got reverted but never got my Ethereum back. So I had to email support. Support responded. They were great. They gave me back my funds that got reverted and stuck. So they did take care of me, and they did fix it. So if you have that issue, reach out to them, please, because they did fix it, and it just got stuck. But they ended up sending me the MMB that I was purchasing right back, which is pretty FA, and congrats to them over at the Mineable team. Now, I mean, buying level 1's pretty probably the better way to go. I mean, you'll get 50 mega hashes and whatnot. I don't know if I can even show you. 1 second. Yep, so as you can see right here, as it's kind of been sitting out and playing, in a week's time, my forecast results is I'll earn about 17 cents in a week. Now this is off of 2 starter GPUs, and one of those GPUs is ranked up, you know, quite a bit, as you can see right here. I'm not selling it, but yeah, it is ranked up a little bit higher. I do have some time left. I have about 6 months left for my durability, which is kind of why I scooped this one up. And I still have about 1 month left for my, or 6 days remaining for my 1 mark of efficiency to go down. So I bought this one, and it was pretty well ranked up for the time being. It would last me for a minute. If I was going to buy another one, I would definitely would buy a level 1. Especially if you're only going to spend 0.02 Ethereum if you buy it off the secondhand market. Now there is benefits, of course, to buying it off of the main market, right? So buying it off of the main network, there is 4,700 GPUs until the next stage. So once 4,700 GPUs have been minted, which in order to do that, you need to purchase them from Mineable. They will change the number of miners, the network hash rate, you know, things go up, and we'll be at stage level 6. Do not know what happens if we reach stage 6. So if anybody knows that, please put it down below. Would love to know. As well, guys, there is only a few days left to get your $125 off of an E300 off of OspreyElectronics. Now, if you are seeing this right now, of course, you do see that there is a second E300 on right now, and I do know for a fact that this thing is limited quantities. When I was talking to him yesterday, he said there was only a couple left as of yesterday. I tried to get a review sample, but there's not enough for a review sample, or anything like that. So there is one out, but it is based off of the VU33P, which, if I'm not mistaken, is Forest Kitten chips. So the VU33P is the Forest Kitten. So this is effectively three Forest Kittens inside of a box as it stands right now. Now they have it listed for 8.8 gigahashes for the 3 hash boards, and that is pulling a wattage of, they say amps power, I'm assuming that's 400 watts amps power to the FPGA, or I imagine it's way less, because of course we know that the Forest Kittens only pull about, I think it's what, about 75 watts a piece, right? If I'm not mistaken. So possibly about 225 watts, maybe 300 watts altogether, maybe, for 8.8 gigahashes. This is a really good deal. I really like this one. I wish I could grab one of these, to be honest. If y'all order more E300s, like the 14 gigahash version, maybe, just maybe, I can eventually score one. So, guys, I do find that pretty cool, though, that there is a second E300 out as it stands for the moment. It is in limited, extremely limited quantity. So, delivery time is literally, it says within 1 week after order placed. So, if you want one really quickly, this isn't financial advice. But if you get one, let me know, because I would love to know. So, guys, I really hope that you are having a fantastic day, and hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. We will be live on Thursday, as well as we will have a video on Friday to cover FPGA Fridays. So I will see y'all then. As well, don't forget, keep on mining, guys. Stay savage, and we'll see y'all next time. Keep your hash rates up, your watts down low. We'll see y'all next time. See y'all later.